Now we will begin finding trig functions for any angle, and there are two easy steps for this. First, you will determine the trig function for the reference angle, theta prime, and then depending on which quadrant your initial angle lies in, you will affix the appropriate sign to that function value. By using reference angles and the special angles discussed in preceding sections, you can greatly extend the scope of exact trig functions. For instance, knowing the function values of 30 degrees means that you know the function values of all angles for which 30 degrees is the reference angle. For convenience, the table below shows exact values of sine, cosine, and tangent for special angles and quadrant angles. But honestly, this section right here, these reference angles and their trig values, these are the most important to memorize. Over here to the left, there is a pattern for the sine function that may help you remember the values. But remember that you can also visualize triangles or just memorize these trig values for 30, 45, and 60. We've already practiced a pretty easy way of finding trig values of quadrant angles. So let's get into some examples.